So today I'll be covering the 4 laws of thermodynamics. Maybe I might do a full video on energy itself, but that'll only come soon. So to start off, we will start with thermodynamics. So funnily enough, it doesn't go first law, second or third law. It actually starts with 0th law. So the 0th law is, as states, if two objects are with each other in a, if third were to join in, then that would join the equilibrium of the equilibrium itself. The first law is, of thermodynamics, is if heat and energy are both energy transfers. This means that they give energy, transfer energy to another system. So the internal energy of a closed system, such as our universe, no energy coming in or out. So would change if heat would be transferred out of the system. Our second law of thermodynamics is that entropy of a closed system would never decrease. What that practically means is that, say you have a hot cup of coffee, that would never heat up unless external work would be done. In a closed system, there would be no external work, so you'd only have the hot cup of coffee spreading its heat out into the air and stuff. And another thing to say is that also in a closed system, everything would naturally drift towards a thermal type system, like only heat and stuff, unless external work is done. The third and last law of thermodynamics is entropy in a system goes in a constant value as the temperature would approach absolute zero. So in other words, this means that kinetic energy in particles would fall to zero, and then disorder would appear due to entropy. An interesting thing which the laws of thermodynamics predict is the fate of the universe. So the second and third laws together will determine that the likely fate of the universe, assuming nothing else would intervene, since we think the universe is a closed system, would be, since there would be no way of providing energy from the outside to reverse entropy, and we've already explained, you would need external work to stop entropy and stuff. The fate would be a type of heat death. What that means is there would be a slow cooling as temperature of its particles would average out and fall towards absolute zero.